Hi, I'm Aisha Hussain, counseling psychologist, psychotherapist, and founder of Cerebral. Today, I want to talk to you about academic and professional breaks. आमतौर पे हम इसे गैप कहते हैं, which has a negative connotation because there's a lot of stigma attached around taking academic and professional breaks. जब आप दो academic qualifications के बीच में कुछ time ले रहे हो, sometimes it can be your own choice because you want to really reflect and see कि what career or what qualification you want to do next. Sometimes it can be between jobs where you want to wait and see what kind of a job you want to go for next. Sometimes it can be just circumstantial. Say you're working in a particular job but family में कोई event हुआ but it required you to focus more of your attention on that part of your life and you decided to take a break. Whenever people think of taking a break, the first thought that comes to them is how am I going to justify it on my CV, and that a gap won't reflect too well on my CV. Your anxieties are completely valid because if there is a job market wherein recruiters penalize aspirants for taking a career break, then obviously you will feel a lot of fear and anxiety around opting for a break. If you're a recruiter who works in an organization जहाँ employees को insist किया जाता है, urge किया जाता है that they bring their whole selves to work, then आप पहल कीजिए to understand the candidates who have taken career breaks and who are wanting to join your organizations. Bringing one's whole self to work means being more human, and if somebody is wanting to be more human by catering to a need for personal growth, a need for rest, then that is something that you should appreciate. हम इन academic and professional breaks को gap का नाम देते हैं because somewhere we are assuming that if you're taking an academic or a professional break, then your life has completely stopped, that it has come to a halt and there is nothing fulfilling or worthwhile happening in your life. जब हम अपने आप से एंड दूसरों से ये एक्सपेक्टेशन रख रहे होते हैं कि हम एक के बाद एक चीज़ें करते रहें एंड लाइफ को एक लीनियर तरीके से जिएं, तो वी आर बेसिकली अज्यूमिंग दैट वी आर मशीन्स. एंड अगर हम वो लीनियर पाथ नहीं ले पा रहे हैं देन दैट मीन्स कि हमारे अंदर कोई ख़राबी है, दैट वी लैक समथिंग, दैट वी आर इनकम्पिटेंट एंड वी आर नॉट गुड इनफ. बट दैट्स नॉट ट्रू. वी आर ह्यूमन बींग्स एंड ह्यूमन बींग्स रिक्वायर टाइम. हमें वक्त चाहिए होता है टू ट्रांजिशन फ्रॉम वन फेज to the other. Most of the times transitions are simple and do not require us to kind of step out of the process, but कई बार ऐसे भी होता है कि एक फेज़ से दूसरे फेज़ में मूव करने के लिए हमें प्रोसेस से अपने आप को थोड़ा डिस्टेंस करना पड़ता है एंड इट इज़ कम्प्लीटली ओके. एक और इम्पॉर्टेंट ट्रांजिशन है जब एक स्टूडेंट प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में आता है. मीनिंग आपने अभी अपनी एकेडमिक क्वालिफिकेशन ख़त्म की है एंड यू आर लुकिंग फॉर द राइट जॉब टू मेक दैट ट्रांजिशन. द प्रोसेस ऑफ अप्लाइंग फॉर अ जॉब, फर्स्टली फाइंडिंग डिफरेंट ओपनिंग्स दैट appeal to you and then applying to those positions can take a lot of time. Hearing back from companies can take a lot of time. ये एक्सपीरियंस काफ़ी इमोशनल हो सकता है, काफ़ी इमोशनली डिफ़िकल्ट हो सकता है. You can feel a lot of anxiety, a lot of sadness, a lot of self-inadequacy, but all of this is not about you. It is about the process, it is about the market, it is about a lot of those things जो आपके कंट्रोल में नहीं है. I know that a break means that you might have to spend a lot of time at home, you might not be in the environment that you want to be in, and it might require you to explain yourselves to others. So if it is parents, then I would want to say to parents कि your concerns about your child's future are valid, especially जब environment में इतना competition है. But what I also want to say to you is that the pressure on your child to move from one phase of their life to the other without taking a break, without needing to take a break, might also force them to opt for choices that they really don't want to opt for. And ये एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो long run में बहुत detrimental हो सकती है. If you're a student, आपको किसी तरीके की preparation करने के लिए coaching करनी है, then obviously you're going to require parental support if you're a dependent. If you are somebody who's a working professional and you want to take a break and find the right job, after taking that break, then you will have to find a way to build a safety net for yourself. The support that you might require to make a career transition or academic transition or a or an academic career transition will come from your existing support systems. One, meaning आपकी family, आपके friends, आपके caregivers, and it can start with you communicating your need for a break, for a transition to them. Now, if you're someone who has figured the financial plans around it, the support system that you would require, yet you feel that you need additional psychological and emotional support, then you can opt for professional help to find yourself some psychological support. As a society, we really need to move from being a society where academic and professional breaks receive a skeptical response, जहाँ हम कहते हैं how did you take an academic or a professional break, and be a society जहाँ हम बोले wow you took an academic or a professional break. That's a commendable thing. Transitions and breaks एक काफ़ी बड़ा टॉपिक है, एक बहुत significant aspect है बहुत लोगों की ज़िंदगी का, लेकिन इस वीडियो में we could only touch upon a few aspects of it. Maybe in the future we will talk about it at length. Until then, you be well and take care of yourself. I'll see you again in another video. Bye bye.